here. Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your new PS5 to your TV, and then in the next video I'll show you how to transfer everything from the PS4 to the PS5. So stay tuned for that. So this is where the new PS5 is going to sit. As you can see, there's not enough space. I'm going to have to remove both of these things. I don't know where I'm going to actually put that. You'll probably put that up there, won't it? Wait, oh no, you need the controller remote though. We'll see what happens. Alright, so first thing first, we need to get rid of all this shit here, make some space for it. We'll see if this can fit with that, but yeah, let's see. Alright, first, let's unplug everything. Let me give this my brother. Here brother, you're very rich now. Okay, keep that there. Start moving shit. That's going downstairs. The PS4 is going to move now. We're going to move the PS4 downstairs. Okay, where's the two controllers? Awesome. Might as well move that downstairs as well. Okay, your headset, move that for now while we clean everything. We have to clean the surface as well because it's all dusty. We don't want a new console with dust. What the hell is this? That's not even English. Now guys, let's unplug everything. Take. Oh yeah. This one, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so dusty.
It's gone down there.
Pull it.
You pull it.
You manipulate, you donkey.
Oh.
Is that spider? No, it's dust. Never mind. Oh my god, that's very stuck. Oh, there you go. Plugged off. Pulled off there. Careful. Pull off there and take off the charger. Okay, the PS4's unplugged now. It's very dusty. I'm going to clean this before we put it downstairs as well. Okay. Look how dusty that is. Yeah. Let me actually see. Will that fit there? Don't know. I might leave this right in the corner. I think it might just about fit with that in there. So we'll clean all this up. We're going to clean this whole area. Clean that up. Clean the TV as well. It's dusty. And then we'll get the new one in. Let's see what it's like. Alright guys, we must well cleaned everything. The table, the cloth, everything, blah blah blah. It's very clean now. Let me plug back in the sky and shit. Hopefully there's enough space for that there. Just plug the power back in. HDMI's in, power's in. Alright, time to bring the PS4 up and see if there's enough space for that to be there as well. Bloody hell, that's heavy. Let's break my fingers, guys. That is heavy with one hand. Okay. Alright, so let me pause this and figure out how we're going to put this. Alright guys, we've had to take the sky down. Well, it's there, but for now we're going to move it. I'm thinking, stick it to the side of there somehow. I'm going to have to figure out how. Oh, I have to use some sellotape. I don't know how we're going to stick this on, but it would have been easier if this drawer was open at the back. We could have just shoved it through here, put it there. Or even the top here, we broke it through there, shove it there. But we can't. Look at it, look at this. 360, if you needed 360, this one. I wonder who broke it. I wonder who broke that. I wonder who scratched all this shit as well.
No, that came out.
But don't say this. Okay, so we have to figure this out somehow. But the PS5 does take a lot of space, look. And putting it this way is just not an option because it's going to drop. Some idiot's going to break it. It'll go to neighbor will rob it. No good. Alright guys, we figured it out. We just put it sideways, and because that's up there anyway, it's not going to interfere with any of that, so it's all good. So there's the sky. Look from there, and there's the PS4, and there's the PS5. I mean 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I'm going to show you how to set it up with OIS. Let me take this off charge. Okay. So first we'll put the HDMI in first. HDMI. One end goes in the back of this. One end in the back of the TV. So let me put the TV one in first. So just look for a spare HDMI slot. We've got one at the top. Probably going to get a new TV anyway to use the 4K because this is just 1080p. Wow. Put these wires down there. Right, so HDMI port is right at the back there. This one there. You see? So I'm just going to plug this in now. Move my hand out of the way. If I can't even move my hand out there, I don't think I can move my hand out there. Right, let me just shove it in anyway. That's a very tight fit, guys. Okay, so this is the PlayStation provided one. That's the cable we're going to be using. It's good cable management back there. It's not bad. Okay, keep the console straight. Now all we left is the power cable. You can use an Ethernet port if you need to, but we don't have one. Alright guys, let me plug this in, guys. Hopefully it reaches. What? I don't know, it might be more powerful.
I'm pretty sure it's the same.
Alright. Oh, okay. If I get electrocuted, please remember me for this video. Oh wait, if I get electrocuted, you won't be seeing this video, because I'll be dead. Inshallah, brother. Okay. This is quite a nice cable, it's quite long. So you can put it in either way. There's no certain way. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands for this 1 second, guys. Alright guys, we're finally done. So that's all the wires. Eh?
It best be quieter than
Inshallah, brother. Okay, and now to finish off, get the new USB-C cable. Just leave it hanging off the front. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that's very long. That is very long, but that's very nice. I could play this from my bed now. As you can see, that's as far as it goes. As you can see, my room is a hotel room. We got 4 beds, 2 bunk beds. So if you need a room to rent, if you need a bed to rent, it's £500 a month. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, next video I'll do the first boot up, and then the next video after that I'll do the how to transfer everything from your PS4 to your PS5. Stay tuned for that.